Hello guys, today I'm going to explain you how facial landmark detection work and what are the importance of those landmark detection. Video is sponsored and powered by Webtunix solutions, evaluated by the tool of Webtunix, and I'm going to explain you the demo version of it, which is built on MATLAB. So as you can see here, I already put some marking that this is the point 1. This is the first landmark, and each point can be represented with some set of coordinate, that is x1, y1, and this is the final landmark, which is the landmark number 68, and these coordinates shall be represented by the x68 and y68, these facial landmark. In currently our automated tool sub 68 facial landmark, as you can see, so that we can identify the corner of lips, centralized pixels, and the lower ends, nose, and everything. These landmark detection is also enable us to identify the mood, behavior of the person. If he is laughing, the distance between these landmarks will get increased, and if he is sad or something like that, distance will get decrease. We also obtain why we are obtaining this much higher number of landmarks, so that we can actually obtain the jawline of those landmark like this was our original image. So without wasting your time so much, and I'm not going so much into explanation, let me show how the program is work and how these landmark look like while program get runs. I'm going to use input sample image, the same one, and will show you the output like this, and thereafter I'll try this program with some other images. Uh, so here we go. Let me disable this thing and minimize it. I'm going to go to my MATLAB program. Let me run it, and I name is as a landmark detection. And let me show you that this is a very small program. The complex library is running on the back end. These landmark detection is also available in OpenCV, and the library name is dlib. There's a limitation of dlib library. You cannot go on the core side of it, and you can also build these landmark detection on the top of TensorFlow. In case of TensorFlow, what you need to do, you need to build data in a way that it is taking input the whole face images and giving you output of these 68 x coordinate and 68 y coordinate. So meanwhile, I'm going to show you the simplified version of the program and how it runs. Okay, while I run the program, it asks me to take some input image. There are plenty of images. Now I'm taking this sample images, the one I've shown you here. I have downloaded this image from internet, and this is my input image. Meanwhile, after some time, when program get finished, you will get the output like this. So you can see you will be getting these landmark. These landmark is being written here in the form of text, so you can see 68 corner. So how these 68 corners will look like, let me show you the architecture. These are the coordinate pixels. Okay, so first and third row, which represent our x1, and second and fourth row, which represent our y1 coordinates. You will get these 68 landmarks. Run this program again with some other input type, input image, and let me take some input image like this, no, like this, like that, like that. Take any one. So here I obtain the landmark. Okay, as you can see, we are getting 68 landmark, and it is able to identify like eyes, nose, lips, eyebrows and all. Okay, so here I'm done for time being. Thank you guys, thanks for watching this video. And if you want any other type of services like automatic landmark detection, image annotation, you can call us. My number is given on the title of the video. And thank you guys, goodbye.